Just stop the water from moving.
Oh, you are way too funny.
Why are you guys doing that?
Because we can. This is the game for you.
Let's use the meat.
I don't have nasty hands. Oh, I don't need to. Okay, do it, Jared. Oh, we're just supposed to do one drop.
But you gotta stick your finger in there first without it.
No,
you do it.
More pepper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you gotta put more pepper.
There's quite a bit of pepper
No,
in
don't
that
do that
bowl
way.
of water.
That'll be just too much pepper.
Way too much.
I think Ty's trying
Someone
to
wants
get
out
our
of jail.
attention.
Shut up, dude.
That's a lot of pepper.
Okay.
Okay.
Lots of
Stick your finger in there, Andrew.
Yeah, Chris is doing it.
That's gross.
That's gross. Pepper finger.